hora de orar. It's time to pray. Would you all like to pray in Spanish today? Bueno, es una buena idea. Todos, levántense. Padre nuestro,
que estás en los cielos, santificado sea tu nombre, venga tu reino, hágase tu voluntad, en la tierra como en el cielo.
Danos hoy el pan de este día y perdona nuestras deudas,
como nosotros perdonamos nuestros deudores, y no nos dejes caer en la tentación, sino que
Líbranos
de malo.
Amén.
We speak Hispaniola.
Joseph Winters invented the fire escape ladder. His invention was given on a patent on May 7, 1878. The fire escape ladder was durable, simple, inexpensive, easy to handle, and occupied little space. Also, it contained a tamper-proof alarm. Dr. Mae Jemison. Dr. Mae Jemison was the first African-American woman in space. She was accepted as a NASA astronaut in 1987 and in 1992. She was selected to fly in the space shuttle and never as a mission specialist. Dr. Mae Jemison was responsible for conducting experiments during the shuttle mission.
Lewis Howard Latimer was a patent expert, a draftsman, and inventor who made the first drawing of the telephone. However, the telephone was patented in 1876 by Alexander Graham Bell. In 1881, Latimer invented a patented method of making carbon filaments in Edison's light bulb. Latimer worked and made patients in Maxim, Westinghouse, and Edison Electric.
Garrett Morgan. One of Morgan's inventions was the automatic stop sign, better known as the traffic light. He later invented the traffic light to control the flow of traffic at an intersection. Morgan also invented the gas mask, which is a breathing mask used for firefighters, in the early 1900s. Today, Morgan's inventions are still helping to save lives all over the world.
Jan E. Matt Sickler invented the shoe-lasting machine. This machine could sew the upper part of shoes to the sole, thereby producing thousands of pairs of shoes in one day. By hand, skilled workers were able to make only 40 to 50 pairs of shoes per day. Matt Ziegler's invention caused the shoe industry to increase producing from 1 million to 11 million pairs a year.
Jackie Robinson in 1947 was the first African American to play for a Major League Baseball team, the Brooklyn Dodgers. He was named Rookie of the Year that year, and 2 years later was designated the National League's Most Valuable Player. In 1962, Robinson became the first African American to be inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame. Jackie Robinson was more than a good player; he was great. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a minister, civil rights leader, and recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize. King believed in equal rights and worked very hard for the benefit of African Americans. He said that all people should be treated equally and with respect. 9 years after his death, the United States honored him with a Congressional Medal of Freedom and declared his birthday a national holiday.
Now we're going to sing the Negro National Anthem.